Today we are solving problem number 7 from the unit of triangles of class 10. The question is taken from exercise 6.4 in CBSE textbook and it is taken from exercise 2.4 in Karnataka state textbook. The question is like this. Prove that the areas of an equilateral triangle described on one side of a square is equal to half the area of the equilateral triangle described on one of its diagonals. So in the question they are saying that there are two equilateral triangles. We know that which type of triangle is called as an equilateral triangle. So if all sides are equal, then it is called as equilateral triangle. Obviously all the angles will be equal to, each angle of the equilateral will be equal to 60 degree. There are two equilateral triangles. So one of the equilateral triangle is described on one side of the square. We need to consider a square. On one side of the square, we need to draw the equilateral triangle. And in the diagonal of the square, we need to draw another equilateral triangle. And we need to prove that the area of the equilateral triangle, which has been described on one side of the square, is equal to half of the area of the equilateral triangle described on one of its diagonals. So we are going to draw the figure first. So I have drawn a square. ABCD is a square where BQC is an equilateral triangle which is described on the side BC of the square, and APC is another equilateral triangle which is described on the diagonal AC of the square. So we need to prove that the area of this triangle BCQ is equal to half of the area of triangle APC. I hope that you have understood the question with respect to the figure. I'm going to write the given here. ABCD is a square and AC is the diagonal. So equilateral triangle BQC and another equilateral triangle APC are described on side BC and the diagonal AC. So I think you doesn't have any doubt with respect to the given. So what we need to prove here, we need to prove that area of triangle APC is equal to half of the area of triangle BQC. So area of APC is equal to half of the area of area of triangle BQC is equal to half of the area of triangle APC. So because BQC is on the side of the square and APC is on the diagonal, so that is what we need to prove. Area of the triangle BQC is half of the area of triangle APC. So we will prove this one. So obviously we know that equilateral triangles are always similar to one another. Why? Means because the corresponding angles are equal, because each angle of both equilateral triangles are equal to 60 degree. So to prove two triangles similar to one another, one element is that corresponding angles should be equal to one another. We can prove that one. And the corresponding sides ratios are equal. So all the sides are equal to one another. And if you consider, just to make you to understand, if I consider in BQC, each side is 3 centimeter or 3 units measurement, and in triangle APC, each side measurement is 6 units. So 3 by 6 means it is 1 by 2. So we will be getting the same ratios. Therefore, we can write triangle APC is similar to triangle BCQ by triple A criteria, because corresponding angles are equal. If you need, you can write that is angle A is equal to angle B, angle P is equal to angle Q, and finally angle C will be equal to angle C. Now with respect to the ratios of the areas of two similar triangles, that is area of triangle APC divided by area of triangle BCQC is equal to square of their corresponding sides. So in APC I will consider AC square, and in BQC I am going to consider BC square. See, if you carefully observe the figure of the square here, it looks like a right angle triangle. ABC, if you see here, it is a right angle triangle because each angle in the square is 90 degree. So it is 90 degree and it is a right angle triangle. So if I draw that figure like this, that is ABC. So AC. So what is the measurement of AC? The measurement of AC, we can calculate the measurement of AC by using the Pythagoras theorem. So if we know BC or if we know AC, AB measurement, we can calculate it as AC measurement. So by Pythagoras theorem, we can write AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, correct? We know that AB and BC are equal in measurement. So AC square can be written as, instead of AB, I can write BC square. BC square plus BC square. So I'm going to write here BC square plus BC square. It is 2 times of BC square. So AC square is equal to 2 times of BC square. Or if I just want to find out what is the measurement of AC, I can write, okay, directly we are getting here itself. AC square is equal to what? 2 times of BC square. So we will keep as it is here. We will write down here. We are going to substitute the value of AC square here. I hope that I have understood this one. So area of triangle APC divided by area of triangle BQC is equal to AC square is equal to what? 2 times of BC square by BC square. BC square get cancels. So cross multiply these two things. So area of triangle BQC is equal to area of triangle APC by 2. Or this can be written as area of triangle BQC is equal to half of the area of triangle APC. So hence we proved the required answer. A very simple problem. I hope that you people have understood this one. If you have liked this video, please give a like to the video, share the video, and don't forget to do a comment. If you are new to my channel, please do support the channel by subscribing it. Thanks for watching the video.